Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today and I hope that you will join me. This week at my Dollar Tree I found some more Easter items I had not seen before, and I also found some new crafting items. This week I decided to pick up this cute little fresh carrot sign. Look at this. I like it. It's a cutting board turned into a wall decor. It says fresh carrots, locally grown, 25 cents each. Cottontail Farms, 100% organic. And I like that they actually put tax in through there to adhere to, well, nope, it doesn't go all the way through. It's just the top layer, but it's something new, right? Adding the little brads there. That is really cute. I picked up one, and then I picked up some headbands. I picked up a headband, and it's kind of like a peachy color. Maybe it's supposed to be pink. But it's more like the peachy tone. Let's see. I have a pink here. No, it's a more peachy tone. And then I picked up a blue one. It is like iridescent blue colors. I needed the ears, so that's why I picked up one each in that color. And I found some paper straws. I like these straws. They're really cute. So you got the green, the blue, the pink, and the violet colors in there. And I picked up 4 packages of those. Add that to my decor for the spring season. And then I found some new confetti. I see there was 3 different kinds. So when you go pick yours up, pay attention to those. So we have this one, look, it has the little chicks, but your chicks come in different colors. And it also has the flowers. That's the side. Cute little flowers, see there? And then you have different colored bunnies. And then these bunnies are running or hopping along. And then they have this one. This is the yellow chicks. I see all the chicks are yellow. And then you get eggs. And then these eggs have little designs, and they're actually cut through, but that's the design, I guess. And you get happy Easter words in different colors. And then there's this one. This one has Easter eggs. These are like embossed eggs on this one. And then you get multiple colors. And then this one you get the bunnies that are standing or sitting up in different colors. I don't know about the eyes, but they should have embossed this, I think. It kind of looks spooky. And then you get the flowers, and then these flowers are embossed. See there? See how the petals have the little indentations on them? They're really cute. So I picked up 2 each of these confettis. I will be putting those to use. And then I found some bottle brush carrots. You get 2 carrots in a package. And then this is what they look like. Cute, right? I like them. The carrot itself is 4 inches, but if you measure it with the little, the greenery here is 6 inches long. Now look at that. I like him. Really cute. And if you don't want to use it as a carrot, you can turn it upside down and use it as a tree. You get 2 for 1 use out of this. But I plan to use these as carrots. I like them so much, I bought myself 6 bags of carrots. And then I found these. These are, I found this in the florals section. They're, it says floral garden mesh ribbon. And they are 2.5 inch wide by 108 inches, which is 9 feet. So I got it in the white, the green, and the brown. And I just picked up one. I will use it somewhere. So this is what they look like. See there? Just like that. Yeah. I will find a use for those somewhere. I just thought it was interesting. That's why I picked it up. And it also comes in 2 other shades. They were, I want to say one was tan, the other one was like ecru. But I only picked up these 3 colors here. And then I figured if with the white one, if I need another color, I can always dye the white one to the color I want. And then look at these patches. I like them. They're iridescent blue. What do you call these? Like a mermaid color, right? Look at that. Very nice. So these are 5 by 5.25 square inch. Iridescent patches is what they're calling them. And you get 2 pieces. You heat set these on whatever you're using if you want to heat set it. I plan to just cut up this piece and use it in my projects. But you can always make water like this. See, if you can find all the colors and these patches that they're showing here, like a denim and a blue, white, black, you can create jars. I picked up 2 of these. I also found that they have it in the pink glittered patch also, if you're wanting the pink glitter patch. So that's that. These are new. I've not seen these before. They are rub-on transfer, and it just says craft, and it is by Crafter Square. This is, let me show you this one right quick. So this is what this one looks like. You get like farmhouse, it's like a farmhouse theme. You get the cow, of course. You get some mason jars, you get like the sign, you get a bunch of vegetables, an apron, shoes or rain boots, garden gloves, garden rake, your box, terracotta pot. There's a bunch of little, and then look, I love the carrot. And then there's radishes. You got fruits also, so there's a lemon there and a pear, and hearts and buttons, and I thought this was a cute little set, so I picked up 3 of this style here. And then the other one I found was this one. Now these are also rubbed on by Crafter Square. Now these, look at this, you can use these as borders. And I don't know, they look like little fishes. But I'm not sure. Kind of interesting, an interesting design. I picked up 3 of these also. So a couple of weeks back, or was it last week? You know what? My days just run together. I had found this gift bag. It is so cute, and it was the only one in the store. I had checked a couple of stores and could not find it, but I am happy to tell you I found more. I am so happy. So this was the original one I found, and this week I found this look. Isn't that cute? It's a purple one. So adorable. Look at this. The bag inside is so cute too. Look at the sides and the bottom, and of course the back side. But I was so happy I found these. I picked up some purple and one more color it comes in. Look at this. Isn't that cute? Such adorable colors, and they're so cute. Okay, did I say that? Look at this. Even the sides, right? Oh my gosh. And then the bottom and the back. But yeah, this was my happy find, and of course my carrots and patches and the you know, I was thinking about these ribbons. These would make really good like a webbing, or if you're making like tags, you know, kind of like the Tim Holt theme going. See, you can use it, run it as a border or as a background. Anyways, my mind is starting to race. I need to slow down. But that is my Dollar Tree haul for this week. I hope that I was able to show you a few items that you may want to keep a watch out for as you visit your Dollar Tree this week. Well, definitely keep a watch out for these carrots. They are very cute. Cute enough to own. Well, thank you for stopping by to watch my haul. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.